Hi everyone, happy Monday. I finished grading your R2 rough drafts and I need to point out a couple of things that you really need to remember as you're revising the final draft. First of all, if you got a good grade on the rough draft, congratulations. But that does not automatically equate to a good grade on the final draft. Or if you didn't do well on the rough draft, that doesn't mean you're extremely far away from doing well on the final draft. The rough draft and the final draft are graded on two different sets of criteria. I didn't make a lot of fix this, fix that type of comments because a rough draft can take a lot of different forms. So I looked at that with a very broad view. As long as you met the minimums and your works cited page was good, then a lot of people did really well. I did make a lot of comments though that are designed to help you move from a rough draft to a final draft. So be sure to read those comments. If there's anything you don't understand about the comments, please let me know. I'll be happy to explain those for you. But I encourage you to work on your final drafts a little bit every day. It's much more effective to spend 15 minutes a day over a week than try to spend 3 hours all at once. So continue to work on those, revise those. Let me point out to you a couple of common comments on the rough draft. One, of course, was source evaluation. You want to use google.com/scholar to find just the very, very best sources. And if you're doing something like social media or artificial intelligence, your sources are going to need to be more current. Those topics are evolving much more quickly. And so you want to use only the most recent, the best, the latest information. Secondly, I noticed a lot of rough drafts were very broad, very general statements involving just social media in general or business in general, and you really want to focus in. You want to focus in so that you can make a good point about a specific topic. We're not just writing all about social media, we're writing about one particular type of social media. We're not writing about all businesses, we're writing about one particular type of business. It's up to you, based on your interests, your desires, how to focus that. If you have any questions about focusing your paper, I hope you'll let me know. If you have questions about your sources, I hope you'll let me know. If you have questions about how to format the works cited page or your paper in general, I hope you'll let me know. Drop me a quick email to jfly@southplainscollege.edu, and I look forward to reading your papers. Thanks.